So multiplication and division of integers. So this here is a very important rule to remember, to commit to memory when working with multiplication and division of integers. So when multiplying or dividing integers, you also need to remember this rule. Like signs give a plus answer, unlike signs give a minus answer. So what do we mean by that? So let's have a look at some examples here. So in these three, we're going to deal with multiplication. So this is positive 4 multiplied by positive 2. Okay, so or 4 multiplied by 2. So the sign of these two integers is positive. So this is positive and this is positive. So therefore, they're like signs. So therefore, you expect the answer to be plus or positive, would be a positive answer. So in this case, if we take 4 so positive 4 multiplied by positive 2, that's just going to be equal to 8. So notice that like signs give a plus answer. So this is positive 8 on the number line. Now if we have a look at this one here, so this is positive 4 multiplied by negative 2. Okay, so negative 2. So now notice that the signs are different on this. This is a positive integer and this is a negative integer. So therefore the answer, or the rule, tells us that unlike signs give a minus answer. So therefore 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. But because the integers, this is a positive integer and this is a negative integer, the signs are unlike, therefore the answer is going to be, it has to be a negative answer, so it has to be negative 8. Now, if we have a look at this one here, so we have negative 4 multiplied by negative 2. So again, we have a negative integer multiplied by another negative integer. The signs are the same, so this is negative and this is negative. So therefore, like signs give a plus answer. So therefore, negative 4 multiplied by negative 2 is just going to be positive 8, or just 8. So notice when we have a positive integer, we don't need to put the plus sign in front of it. It's assumed that it's there. But when it's a negative integer, we do have to put the negative sign in front. Now, likewise here, so this is 4 divided by 2. So sometimes you might see it written like this, or sometimes you can see it written like this, 4 divided by 2. And again, the same rules apply. So like signs give a plus answer. So again, this is positive 4, this is positive 2, so the signs are the same for both of those. So therefore, the answer is going to be a plus. So it's going to be 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 4, and it's positive 2. Okay, and again, you don't need to put the plus in front of positive integers. This one here is 4 divided by negative 2. And again, sometimes you would see this written like this, 4 divided by bracket negative 2. So again, so 4 divided by 2 is just 2. But because this is a positive integer and this is a negative integer, this rule, the second rule here, will apply. Unlike signs give minus answer. So this is a positive integer, this is a negative integer, so therefore the signs are different. So therefore this is going to be negative 2. Again, if we go down here and have a look at these, so this is minus 10 divided by 2. So again, sometimes you might see it written like this, minus 10 divided by 2. And that's going to be equal to, so 10 divided by 2 is 5. But again, because they're unlike signs, so this is negative and this is positive, and we get a minus answer, which is this sign, this rule here. And then again, if we take this one here, so this is negative 10 divided by negative 2. So again, we could write like this, negative 10 divided by negative 2. So that's going to be equal to 5. And because the signs are the same, so this is negative and this is negative, therefore your answer is going to be plus. So like signs give a plus answer. So this sign here is like this sign here. So therefore the answer is positive or plus. So that's really it. Multiplication and division of integers. So again, this rule is very, very important.